This is a 1998 Ford Expedition. This SUV has a 4-speed automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Features include air conditioning, full power accessories, a passenger side airbag, automatic locking wheel hubs, cargo tie-downs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, roof rails, an anti-lock braking system, and a multi-link rear suspension. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Andy Moore Ford Lincoln is the place to find new Ford and Lincoln cars and trucks and pre-owned vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us today at 2713 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymoreford.com.